Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Okay, pag-usapan natin itong magandang post ni Ching Lu. Isa ito sa mga very active na DDS social media influencer na napakagandang kanyang mga post articles. So ang title niya is Duterte, The Art of Empty Seats. So ang tinalakay niya dito is bakit 10 lang ang kandidato ng PDP. Was it advanced planning na kanyan o talagang 10 lang? Dito pinaliwanag ni Ching Lu yung galing ni PRRD. Bakit 10 ngayon naging 12 na? So from Duterte naging Duterte 12. Duterte 12. Samantalang sa kabila, according to Ching Lu, bali-balita, magiging 7 na lang sila. Okay, so basahin ko ang kanyang sinulatan. Ang ganda. On the wild chessboard of Philippine politics, every move counts and sometimes it's the pieces not played that reveal the deeper strategy to confuse the enemy. Ang tanong, bakit 10 lang ang kandidato ng Duterte slate? At bakit may 2 bakanting upuan? Simple lang, hindi ito sabong, ito ay chess. Even from a detention cell in The Hague, Rodi Duterte played like a grandmaster. While the bagong alyansa MAC o yung minaliit MAC, the Duterte 10, he was already 5 moves ahead. Malala nyo nung kick-off rally sa Lawag, tinawag ni PBBM ang kabilang kampo na inutusan lang bumili ng suka. So pagmamaliit. Okay. Tapos, boom, sabi niya. Paglapag ni Inday Sara galing Netherlands, bigla na lang Camille Villar at Amy Marcos endorse. Ako hindi ko inaasahan yung pag-endorse kay Amy Marcos at Camille Villar. Talagang boom! Ang Duterte 10 naging Duterte 12. Hindi yan tsamba, kundi estratehiya. Ulitin ko strategy yung Duterte 10 naging Duterte 12. Hindi yan tsamba. By fielding only 10 candidates at first, Digong, the master tactician, signaled loyalty and cohesion. Then left space for power to shift late in the game. Those 2 endorsements weren't random. They were part of an opening repertoire planned well in advance. Okay. So hindi yun tsamba lang plano talaga. Pero tika, may mas juicy pa. Yung admin slate na 12, bumagsak sa 10. Kasi minus to na At ang chismis, chismis lang ito, wala pang concrete evidence. At ang chismis, baka maging 7 na lang. Bakit 7 na lang? Dahil nagkakaguluhan na raw sina Pia Cayetano, Manny Pacquiao at Francis Tolentino. Nagdadalawang isip na daw ang 3 poros daw. Okay. Si Manny Pacquiao, yung kanyang local party, Pacman Champ Movement, PCM, nag-endorso na ng 3 PDP. Bato, Go, and Marcoleta. Ibig sabihin, naghulog na sila sa malaking dagok ito sa alyansa. Hindi sila sulit. So in return, parang si Pacman gusto ring magpa-endorso sa sa PDP. Again, these are all rumors. In other words, 10 loyal senators can shift a chamber. 2 late game endorsements can shift momentum. That's what they play, not to conquer but to control the tempo. At ang tunay na power move, sino? Si Tatay Digong ang pumindot ng huling piyesa habang nasa piitan siya. Okay? Anong masasabi nyo dito sa sinulat ni Chingo? Ako, agree ako nito na talagang sobrang pagka-strategist itong ating Tatay Digong na kahit nakakulong na, nag-iisip pa rin ng magbasa lang ako ng mga comments ha. Joseph Lofranco, from President to Super Grandmaster Digong. Si Nancy Negado, sabi niya, very well said, sir. We know Tatay Digong always one step ahead of everyone. The master tactician. Vince Magpantay, the question is, once they're elected and got to position, will they remain loyal to PRRD and BP Sara? Yan, magandang tanong din yan. Donna Dakanay, I love it. The chess master Tatay Digong Duterte. Joseph Alolor, genius. Ashari Tamano, a strategic brilliance at its finest. While others were busy counting heads and mocking empty seats, Tatay Digong was playing 4-day chess from a cell halfway across the globe. So ito, sinamarize niya, fielding 10 wasn't a weakness. It was a trap door. Leaving 2 sets blank, calculated suspense. Endorsing Aimee and Camille late in the game, it's a game changer. While the other side was busy scrambling and splitting, the Duterte camp was moving like a unit, tight, timed, and totally unexpected. That's the kind of leadership that doesn't shout, it just wins. Grabe. So, sana totoo. Kasi ito, bali-balita lang, chismis. Aalis na si Pacquiao, Cayetano, and Tolentino. Okay mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talantig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga libreng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng Tribong Talantig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na po ni ang natagaan din sa Sitio Garden.